Using Godaddy email and Gmail is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Open your Gmail account in a web browser and log in. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Gmail interface and select See All Settings. After that, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. In the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, click on Add a Mail Account. Enter your full Godaddy email address and click Next. Choose Link Account with Gmail and click Next. Enter the password for your Godaddy email account and click Next. You can choose the settings for importing emails. You may want to leave the default settings, but you can customize them based on your preferences. Gmail may send a verification email to your Godaddy email account. Follow the instructions in the email to complete the verification process. You can choose to send mail through your Godaddy SMTP servers or Gmail servers. Choose the option that suits you. Click Next and then Finish to complete the setup.